Hello and welcome. Today I am working on a 16 by 20 inch canvas from Michaels. If you were here for my last video, you seen me do a cup layering experiment where I am layering my cup for 12 to 14 hours. Then I am pouring it out. I did a straight pour for my last painting. So for this one, as I stated in my last video, I will be doing a ring pour. So that is what I am going to do now. I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'll let you enjoy this video and talk to you again during the wet result. Here it is. This is my second fluid art cup layering experiment. So with the cup layering experiment, I am layering my cup 12 to 14 hours before I am ready to pour. And as you can see, this gives the paint time to blend together. I'm not really sure what's happening inside the cup, but what I am sure about is the lines are a lot thinner. The colors blend better when you layer ahead of time, because when you are layering your cup and pouring right away, the colors don't really have much time to blend together, which is why you will have those blocks of color come out of your cup when you're pouring, because it just hasn't had time to mix. So with the cup layering experiment, this is giving the colors time to mix together. Here in the center, it's a little more blended because at the bottom of the cup, it was remaining a remaining cup layering that I did previously. The paint on the sides and everything that that I tilted off, that was additional paint that I added to the cup, while the paint that was at the bottom had already been sitting for about 12 hours. So these colors here in the middle are a little more blended, but it flows with the painting. It has movement, and I like it a lot, actually. I actually really like doing these cup layering experiments. I did not record. Someone asked me in the comments, like, can they see the cup being layered that I'm pouring? So for this particular painting, I don't have a video of that, but I do have a video of another cup layering that I did for a pour that I'll post in my short section. So stay tuned for that. But I am so happy with these. So this was a ring pour and a straight pour because there was something on the lip of the cup which was causing the lines to be a bit wavy. So I decided to do a straight pour to kind of roll over that part, and then I finished it off with a ring pour. So I hope you made it to the end of this video, and thank you for watching.